Hi guys, it's me again, your one and only Mtati Mpundu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content every week. Don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment section below. I'll be super glad to hear from you guys. Sia One on 6th September 2020 posted on his Facebook page saying just exactly as I accurately revealed long time ago that the PF government will play tricks with the National Mobile NRC issuance exercise. That's exactly what is happening today. Well, let me make it clear to the people of Zambia and the entire world today that on the day of elections, I will make heavy rains and heavy thunderstorms in all the PF strongholds. By doing this, the world will know that I am the dawn of power in Africa, and I was sent to this earth for a purpose, and I have no competitors, so long as Africa is concerned. No rigging plan will work next year. It's gonna be a battle of powers, battle of lions and dogs. Get ready to watch this. Few hours later, on the same day, he went live on the same page and said it again in his live video that he will make heavy rains and heavy thunderstorms in all the PF strongholds. By doing this, the world will know that is the dawn of power in Africa. More in the video. Here is Sia One the Jagaban himself in the video.
Look at it. Look at this. For example, this is the Zambian president, Edgar Lungu. I'm on his page. This is what he posted. See him. He says, I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him will I trust. Psalm 91 verse 2. That is the president of Zambia. He's quoting scripture. He's quoting scripture. This guy is busy quoting scripture on Facebook, pretending to love God on Facebook. Those of you that follow Sia One very, very well know that I told you months ago that before they start doing NRC registration, I told the opposition, I told the people of Zambia, I said, be careful, because these guys are going to play tricks on the NRC registration. When it comes to the side of the opposition stronghold, they are going to play tricks. Didn't I warn you? Didn't I tell you? I told you. I said it. Today, is it not happening? I am told that Home Affairs have suspended the NRC, mobile NRC issuance. Just exactly like the way I said it. And this man is quoting scripture. This man is talking about one Zambia, one nation. This man is preaching Bible on Facebook. But inside his heart, what he's preaching is different. If really you see that Christianity is a joke. If somebody like Edgar Lungu can quote scripture, can quote Bible, then can't you see that Christianity is a joke? I told you that they are going to play tricks with the NRS. I said it. Many of you who don't believe me, if you are here and you know that you are used to following those hungry prophets and those your pastors and prophets in Zambia, I don't want you to follow me, because I don't speak. I am a traditional pastor, prophet. I use supernatural power to perform. When I tell you this thing is going to happen, this thing is going to happen. In January, I told you, people of Zambia, I said that Zambia is going to run out of money. Zambia will not have money. Zambia will be bankrupt. I said it. And many of you ask, Sia One is just talking. I am not a just talking person. A whole minister, a lot of delegates cannot leave Nigeria to come and see Sia One in Limpopo if I'm just a nobody. I am not a cadre like you. I am the dawn of power. When I say something, I know what I'm talking about. When you see PF panicking, going to Nigerian government and doing this and doing that, they know what I can do. They know what I did already. Why don't you believe me? I told you that Zambia will be bankrupt. I was on Chilufya Tayali's page today, and I saw the former ZAF commandant a highly sophisticated top government official saying that PF government is broke. It is there on Chilifya Tayali's page. He openly said it. He said that PF government is broke. They don't have money. They can't buy anything. Money has finished. I said it in January. Many of you that think that I am those your prophet in Zambia, I am those hungry people that are parading up and down in Zambia in all the classroom and in all the compounds. You think I'm part of them. I am not part of them. When I tell you something, believe it. I told you that money is finished. Money will be finished. You thought I was joking. Now it came from the mouth of a former ZAF commandant, a top government official, who is lying. Everything I've told you about PF, tell me one of them that has not happened. I mean everything that I've told you about PF. Just mention one of them that has not happened. I told you from the beginning, I said they will run out of money. Money will finish. Today it has happened. Today it's happening. Today, Kwacha is now flying more than an eagle. By next week, we are going to see it at 20. Climbing. Zambia is climbing into recession. Zambia is following Zimbabwe now as I'm talking to you. Things are bad. They will not tell you. They will pretend like everything is okay. But things are unbelievably bad. It didn't come from my mouth now. It came from the mouth of a former ZAF commandant, a highly placed senior official in Zambia. Is the one who is saying that there is no money. PF government is broke. The commandant was saying it himself. He says Zambia is broke. When I told you, did you believe me? You did not believe me. I told you not long time ago. I told you to say, during the time of NRC, they are once they finish on their stronghold area, going to the opposition stronghold, they are going to play tricks. They are going to suspend it and say, no, because of this, because of that. Has it not happened? It has happened. Child, even if you don't believe Sia1, what do you want me to do for you to start believing me? What do you want me to say for you to start believing me? I am not a small prophet. I posted on my page today, I said, PF, they have tried to play their tricks. This is Eddie Galungu that is posting Jesus Christ on his page. But on the other hand, is doing things that even Satan himself cannot do. I'm coming to that. But I warned you, I said it. People of Zambia, I said it. I told you that things are coming to be bad. You thought I was joking. You thought that Sia1 is this ordinary other prophets that are looking for attention, that are looking for your money. How much do you have? Every blessed day, if I can tell you how many people that send thousands. When I say thousands, it's not kwacha. It's not rands. It's thousands of dollars sending to me. Papa, thank you. Papa, do this. They say, if I know that I'm also being investigated in South Africa because I've received the report that I've been investigated. But anyway, everything is open. Everything is clear there. But they must see how many amount of money that enter this country because of Sia1. So who are you for you to say Sia1 is just talking because he want? If I want money from PF government today, I'll just pick up a phone and call them and say, I need this amount so that I start supporting you. They will not say no. Because where it is now, PF has been destroyed beyond repair. And they need anything that can boost them. They need anything that can support them. But because I can't compromise, I will never tell them to say, give me this, give me that. No. But what am I trying to say? I said it. I posted something on my page today. I said, because PF have done this, they have registered in their stronghold. I'm told about 700,000 people have registered, and I said that I'm going to make rain. I'm going to make rain. People are saying, it's in August. How can there be rain? Ah, my God. People are saying, see, our election will be in August. There won't be rain. Those of you that know me when I was in Zambia, those of you that attended my church when I was in Zambia, know that I used to call rain to come. The first crusade I did in Zambia, I started it with making miracle of rain. Those of you that attended it at NASDAQ, at the NASDAQ ground there, will testify. It's nothing. Making rain and thunderstorm. That is people who are learning witchcraft. That is the first thing they ask them to do. That thing is a primary examination for people who are learners of witchcraft. That thing is not a big miracle. I told them, because you have registered 700,000 in your stronghold, that's day it's going to rain. You are watching me. Anything I say is what I do. Have I said anything and I don't do it? That day, you see, in those strongholds, it's going to rain with heavy thunderstorm that people will even fear to leave their bedroom to the sitting room, not to talk about leaving their house, coming to polling station. We are going to see. I'm telling you. I know what I'm talking about. I know the kingdom where I'm coming from. I'm not coming from these things of useless things. No. Where I'm coming from is talk and do. It's do as I say. That's what we are in the kingdom. And that's what I do. Those of you who were there, who were attending my church at Tam School, those of you who were attending my church at anywhere, I call rain, not small rain. Forget it. So PF, if they think to say, okay, let's manipulate this, you can go ahead and manipulate. I don't want to reveal my secret also because I've discovered that whatever I say, you work on it. Whatever I say, you work on it. So I'm going to be quiet. Continue doing your plan. But I'm going to tell you that CR1 is still a dawn of power in Africa. Whether I'm here in South Africa, I'm in Nigeria, I'm in Zambia, it's the same thing. It's not, I'm not talking from without. Mr. Kebi is alive. He knows what I'm talking about. Even Sunday Siangwe can bear witness of this rain that I'm talking about. It's not a small people's thing. I know that they are going to go to Malawi, go to pastor to look for power. So long as Africa is concerned, I don't have competition. I am the dawn of power. It will rain that day. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Let us wait and see. It's in August. What is August? If I can make rain in October, what is August? People who are learning witchcraft learn it with making. When you graduate, to test your power, you make rain. It's a simple thing. How much more the dawn of power, CR1?
Alright, that's all right for you today, guys. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about the video you just watched in the comment section below. I'll be super glad to hear from you guys. Once again, I go by the name of Mtati Mpundum. I love you. Peace. I gotta go.